Oh, we're getting set up for the show. We have all done now. Hopefully you can see the sun's pretty bright. We're starting off some red, white, and blues, little green giants, some ghetto blaster mixing with Lion Kings, Jaguar brand helter skelters, miscellaneous stuff thrown together, massive strobes, red razzles, festival balls, tropical madness, which I've done a video whole case before, and pretty much the same thing throughout. Little different items on each setup here using the Cobra. The start of the show, we are going to do shrapnel with some M25s. After that's finished up, we're going to hit. See, set up there again. To the same setup over here, using the Cobra. To the middle side, all in Wild Dragon, Wicker from Jaguar, the Dominator Pro Cake. Zodiac is Jaguar, Thumb Junkie, Gunsmoke, Bonebreaker, Captain Jake from World Class came out. Lightning, Iraq, pretty much gonna be the same through this one. The middle part, Demon's Fury, a new sprinkler cake from Pyro Demon, which is from Bada Boom. Fire Drake, some old cakes I had, another Captain Jake, Multiplicity. Do a Smiling Face Rock. Set up over here again. To the finale. .36 shot. Get the golden ones and those other ones you see in the video. Canister shells. 20 shot, 3 shot, and then back to those over there, and that's going to be the show. Helpers. Gene, Randy,